Okay, pop quiz. What's the first and second rule of time travel? I can't talk about it. Let's talk about a subject that I think dry fasting can actually have an effect on that will absolutely extend the life of your time machine. Varicose veins. The reason varicose veins have not been treatable is because they've never been able to identify the reason for varicose veins. And even though it might seem obvious, being in the venous flow, a couple of Russian doctors and a team of Russian scientists over in Siberia, I think, discovered that mitochondrial dysfunction in the epithelial layer of the venous flow system, the vascular system, is the cause of varicose veins. Because what happens over time, especially if you do iron loading without having the copper to balance it, the mitochondrial malfunction, they don't produce enough ATP to actually grow and create really healthy epithelial cells in the venous system. And then those cells have to replicate themselves to replace cells, making less and less able cells to operate correctly and have enough energy to do what they need to do. Hence, no cure. So the reason they become all knotted up is because they've lost the energy to maintain the proper cytoskeleton, cell shape, cell design, and it's just barely able to keep the blood flowing back to the heart, basically by pressure or suction, depending on how you want to look at this. Here's what we do know about dry fasting. Dry fasting improves your time on this planet because it gets rid of a lot of the problems that cause time to shorten in your time machine, and it helps to create new mitochondria called mitochondrial biogenesis. Now, what's also interesting is what we found is that there's a new type of stem cell discovered in around 2010 called the Muse AT stem cells, which come out of fat cells when you go into a dry fast after you get out of glycogen exhaustion and you're now using free fatty acids. These Muse cells come out of the fat cells right into the vascular system. And so really interesting about these ones is that they can become any kind of cell they need to be. They are pluripotent, any three germlines. They can just differentiate into whatever cell is needed at that site when the chemical signals say, plug me in, make me this next cell, and make it perfect again, which is what a stem cell does. It returns perfect genetics to that cell, which then replicates perfect genetics in that system. One of the big reasons why varicose veins are so bad is from the crappy food we've been forced to think is safe, and it's not. It's very unsafe, especially with the seed oils, nut oils, vegetable oils, all this stuff. The reason you might have cellulite is because your body can't use those oils, and it has to sequester them because they'll kill you if they end up in circulation. So they sequester them to globules inside your cells. The cells blow up full of globules of, basically fat, the wrong type of fat, which makes it harder and harder for you to look nice, to get around, to function properly. And these things are constantly leaching out when you do any kind of exercise that isn't really healthy when you release them back into the vascular system. So that's one of the tricks you have to do. So the idea here is to get off these lousy foods. The other thing is to digest your food. So please take a tablespoon, 2 teaspoons, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt every day, NaCl. Get off of the sodium, Na, loaded toxins, these neurotoxin foods they have in like convenience stores and grocery stores and all this stuff, in plastic bags and foil bags and all this jazz. And it's just there to hurt you. That's the problem with the low salt diet thing. They never take into consideration the idea that it's actually the sodium that's causing the problem, not salt. You need chlorine, NaCl to make HCl to have stomach acid so your food properly digests and everything works correctly. So there's that. So the idea here is every year you do a 7-day or 2 5-day dry fast to release the Muse cells from your fat cells. At the same time, you change your eating habits, start improving your exercise regime, and not accumulating the kind of fats and foods that make you ill. And over time, this may help. In this book, I talk about a big part of this, because you may be able to replace them with some stem cells and help it all along, but there's still cells going bad because of another problem. It's called iron loading. Your body uses 25 micrograms of iron and leaves one behind every day. It replaces the blood in your system because every day red blood cells are being replaced. That accumulates to 30,000 micrograms over a lifetime. By 50% loading at 15,000 micrograms, you're sitting around 40, 45 at andropause and menopause. What this indicates, and especially when you take into consideration the idea that because women menstruate, they end up donating blood for at least 40 years, and they're 5,000 micrograms ahead of us at 40 than we are, us guys. There's a real good logical train saying, you know what, if you give a little blood and control that iron load, you're going to get a lot of response, a good positive benefits from it. And I talk about it in the book, and I'm in the middle of that experiment. My suggestion is get my book, Philosophy of Time Travel. Read about what goes on in your body, how to repair it properly, who you are and what you really are as an energy being that has to repair its energy functions all the time. And I get into that. I include all the protocols to clean yourself and get rid of all these cleanses and get rid of all these toxins and stuff before you start a dry fast or in the middle of when you incorporate dry fasting into your health routine. And it's a really interesting read because it just cuts to the chase. And I don't talk about my personal experiences discovering this like so many other authors do. It's just the facts, man. Anyway, if you've noticed, I don't do commercials on these videos anymore because I don't want to interrupt the train of thought and my conversation with you. Because although this is going out to thousands of people, I'm doing this for you because you're the person that I want to communicate to tell you you can fix yourself, you can control your health, you can control your income, and what happens to you later in life to your savings if you don't control your health. That's my job, and I'm proud to do it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If this is the first time to my channel, look below at some of the other videos and the responses of people that have taken my advice and the benefits they've achieved by it. And hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Still no surf. I mean, it's just flat as a pancake. It's Lake Atlantis out there right now. That's okay. Time for a swim. See you later. Bye.